everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you what I bought for the day. So as you can see, there are about 4 bags and there are so many items. So I would say in all these are from about 1 to 2 shops. So let me show you what I've got. So the first one I have is actually a backpack from this brand called or maybe you call it Som. I'm not very sure, but do comment down below how you pronounce this name. So basically this is the backpack, and we've got the left and right pocket, the front zip, and we've got the top zip as well. So it's a very nice compartmentalized backpack with this portion for you to put your laptop. So this is a backpack. And the next one I've got is another backpack from the same brand, Samsung. And this is rather nice because it is like waterproof material. It's got a front pocket, and this is the back of it. This material is waterproof as well. It's from the brand Samsung. I think it's rather nice. You can carry it for tours. Look at the inside, so nicely decorated. I really love the lining. So this is backpack 2, and for backpack 3, another Samsung. And this is a very cute design because we have got the front zipper here, the nice characters. In the back we've got some soft cushion as well. Samsung as well, front pocket, and this is the overall zip. Let's see the interior. Let's see what the stuffing. So same thing, you've got the inner pocket for your laptop. Right, this is backpack number 3, and let me show you the next one. We've got backpack number 4. You know, once I like the backpacks, I'll probably just get a few, and depending on the occasions, I'll just match accordingly. So this is the front zipper, once again from Samsung. Or is it Samsung? How do you pronounce it? And then the zipper. Over here is the stuffing, and yes, look at the menu. Same thing, we've got the inner compartment. Characters on the front pocket here. So very similar orientation as the bags over there. Okay, these are 4 backpacks. And let me show you another bag. But this turns out it is not a backpack, and instead it's like a sling bag, which is about the size of 3/4 A4 size. And look at this strap here. This is the strap where we can sling over our shoulder. Okay. Over here is a really sweet little nice Samsung sling bag. Okay. So this is my 5th bag. I've also got walnuts from Samsung. Very cute character. These are rather sweet. These are for kids, and I'm going to give it away. So, pretty nice, huh? So let's take away this paper bag. And right now I'm going to show you more of the items for the kids. So this is it's like a small little tiny machine for you to make bracelets. I'm sure the kids will love this. In fact, I thought this is rather nice. So I've got 2 boxes of this. 1, 2. Exactly the same. So in this box, it has actually provided you 2 hairbands in which you can just customize whichever color you want. You can even do a headband, hairband, and your bracelets. So, well, kids will love this. And next one, we've got this. It's a keychain, customized keychain package. So you have got actually 6 keychains over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And what is being provided here are actually like squarish cakes, roundish cakes, tarts, and some fake strawberries. But of course, these are not edible. So if you would buy this for your kids, please remember these cannot be eaten. Okay, look at this. Caution: this product does not contain food. So this is one. Here is actually a logo. This is our military logo. So I've chosen 2 different designs. One is more like an aircraft, like a fighter jet, and the other one is more like a truck, or is it a tank? It's used for carrying some bombs. Anyway, these are 2. These are also for giveaways. So here is another 2 items for the kids, and these are for giveaways as well. So this is what we have. It's like a beautiful goggles for swimming, very, very beautiful, and the quality is actually very well made. You can see, and when you touch it, it's really different. So very, very well made goggles, and the kids love it when I give away. And next I have this. Another 2 water bottles for giveaway. Also from the shop called Samsung. Beautiful sweet designs with all the characters. You can see it's very lovely. And how you do is you just hold this and you carry it around, and on top the kid drinks like by pouring or by drinking directly from here. So it's very good. Always buy things in pairs. Pair, 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 pair. And of course, those are for giveaways, and this is for myself. Where is this from? Samsung again. Everything from the Disney chapter. I really love this because I like the prints. I like the characters, like Full House. Everybody's there. And this is how you drink. Just open it from the top, and then you just pour it in your mouth. You see? How convenient. I really love this. So this is about 600 ml, and these are about 500 ml. So you can see the height difference. 600 for me, and the 500 for the kids giveaway. And next one I have here is actually this. What do I have here? Yes, these are citrus mango rich diffuser, nice fragrance for the home, and has a very, very beautiful bottle. And I think I should open it up for you to see. So this one, I've got this for you to pour into the bottle. And this is the nice bottle with the right color wooden beads for yourself. And I've tried to smell the smell of the citrus mango. It's quite pleasant, like a fruity smell. So I bought one. And of course, last but not least, if you're giving gifts away, don't forget to wrap it up. So I've got about 6 wrappers here. And these are definitely very beautiful wrappers with this thing said dream come true just for you and happy birthday. So that's about it guys, all my purchase for the day. And see you guys next time.